I think one of the key themes that we've spotted is that there's been a huge flow of management buyouts, either driven by founder shareholders or management teams making offers. But within Progeny, we've actually seen about 10 MBOs in the last 12 months, which is a big flow of deals of that particular nature. I think there are a number of factors. Capital gains tax has been quite a driver, so there's been a lot talked about the Chancellor increasing capital gains tax, and there's been quite a rush to get deals done pre the budget on the 3rd of March. That's definitely been a factor. A number of founder shareholders deciding this is the right time now to sell their businesses and crystallise that tax rate before it changes. As it turned out, the budget hasn't changed anything. But there was definitely a rush to get deals done before the 3rd of March. The other factor is, and it can't be underplayed, the last 36 months has been a very difficult trading environment for most businesses. There's been the sort of looming factor of Brexit and the uncertainty that's brought, particularly regarding supply chain issues with Europe, which businesses have had to adapt to and sort out. And then off the back of that, we've gone straight into COVID and all of the issues that has brought. So I think the last 36 months have been difficult, and I think a lot of founder shareholders have sat back, taken stock and decided actually this is the time to step out of the business. If I can find a way to sell the business, this is the time. And that's probably provoked a number of conversations with management teams to see whether that's the route to go down. I think so, yeah. As I say, nothing happened in the budget regarding capital gains tax, but it will change. And I think the only reason it didn't change in the budget was because the world has enough to deal with right now without changing that. So it will change, and it's likely to be in the autumn statement. So I'd predict there'll be a continued flow of sales and management buyouts between now and the autumn. Well, I think for the management team, this is an important opportunity for them, because a lot of founder shareholders will be having these thoughts about when's the right time to sell, and now is the right time. So if I was a management team, I would be starting that conversation with the founder shareholder now. Are you prepared to sell? What price are we going to agree? And just start that dialogue off now, so that a deal can be then pulled together within the time frame of before the autumn statement.